Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can get Spotify for free in 2025 on your Android or iOS device. So you need to head over to your default browser and you are going to type in www.lol.com. So once you reach over to this site, you're going to search for Spotify, and this is the code that you to use. So this basically means this process is not yet complete. You need to perform certain tasks in order for you to receive a code in which you will input on your Spotify app. So when we press here on unlock code, as you can see, it's generating the rest of my code, but it will require that I perform some certain tasks which are not as hard. And I can see on the site there, there are about 1,000 coupons left, so you can try out for yourself. Now, when you'll be brought to this page here, so it's saying that you need to download the Alibaba app and run it for 30 seconds, and you download the NV Bible and you run it for 30 seconds. So that shouldn't be so hard of a task to do. And after you do that, now you are going to go back now to your app and you are going to refresh. You are just going to refresh and you press on Spotify again. And then when you head over to Spotify, then you press on unlock code, you should see your code. And that is how to get Spotify for free in 2025. I hope you found this method useful and tell me whether it has worked for you in the comment section.